Hey, how are you guys? This is Mr. Owen back again, guys. It's been time not uploading videos, but now I'm back again, guys. With another banger video, guys. You understand? So the thing is, guys, we are talking about it's about 369 forex trading today, guys. We are going to talk about the trade that I took on Nasdaq and also like an update on how Nasdaq is going on and also some strategies, guys. So without wasting time, let me share the screen, guys, so that we can see what's really going on. So, guys, as you can see, guys, we are sharing our video here, our chat here. We have Euro USD. Let me just withdraw everything and go to the highest time frame, guys. We can see on the daily time frame that yes, Nasdaq is going where upwards, guys. We've been pushing upwards the whole since from I think it was 14th of March. All was bullish momentum, guys. So it was bullish momentum on the market. Maybe next week it might consolidate here on top. I'm also expecting some bullish momentum again to these highs, guys. Most likely that bullish momentum to these highs. That's what we're expecting again. And also we have bullish momentum also this high. So basically, I must share something, guys, that's gonna make you happier and better in your forex trading as you are planning and knowing where to enter into the market, guys. And it also can upgrade your patience, guys. Let me tell you, guys. So let's jump into the market and show you. I'm gonna show some trades that I took on this trade like this past few days, guys, that made me profit more than almost like from 500 to 2K, guys, trading Nasdaq. So let's jump into the video, guys. Let's jump into the Nasdaq trading thing. Now let's look this. Drop the time frame. Okay, we can see that market is or as I told you, this highs as a very probably like the supply areas that I can see. This one also all respected on the dot. You see what I'm saying? And also this one was also respected. So guys, the thing is we'll be talking about let me say this. Let me just put this one. You see what's happening? The daily trend was what? Was broken. So guys, we can see that the daily trend was broken, and we can have all those supply what areas. So basically, we can say market can even push to this highs. It's possible. It's possible that Nasdaq can push to this highs, hopefully to reach the 16,400 areas, maybe at the end of the year or what. We might expect that because now we're in a bullish trend that is starting, not yet exploded that much, but we have this bullish trend that we are seeing on Nasdaq. So it's good now to buy Nasdaq than selling it, ne? But yeah, the sell opportunity will happen when the market break this bullish trend. So we are in a bullish trend on Nasdaq. So the goal is to do what? To capitalize on what? On the bullish trend, guys. That is happening on what? On Nasdaq. Let me just jump in. Let's put this guy here. Okay, so we have that bullish trend, guys, that is happening here. Look, you can even see that this is happening now, guys. So we have this bullish trend that happened here. We can have also some gloom. As you know, I love to gloom, guys. Okay, this is what's going on. Okay, we can put it on the highest point, guys, just to have those nice where could the market touch before it sells. You can even see here might expect some touch here, then selling momentum to come in to retest on the lows, all this stuff, guys. So basically, let's talk about the trade that I took on Nasdaq. So guys, I think it was the day before yesterday, guys. I did call this consolidation here, guys. I understand that market has to come back and retest here, guys. It was the London session open. Let me just drop the time frame for you guys. So I understood that the market has to come back and consolidate to consolidate to reach this low. So guess what? I need to catch a sell on these highs, guys. I need to catch a sell on this highs. I'm gonna show the video from this high here. I caught some sales because I saw some liquidity trap and it was also here in this high. So the market was creeping liquidity on the highs, and I understood that this sell off can also, I caught my first sales on this highs, holding them to these lows, guys, which gave me almost like 1.5 because I took my profits on these lows here. I took my profits here, guys. That was a banger trade because I took trades, it consolidated. I saw another opportunity here. I did back out other trades, guys, to the lows. Then I was able to buy again here, guys. I was able to buy again here and take my profit somewhere there. So, guys, I made money with this move, guys. So I want to emphasize why did I do what I did and why did this momentum happen and how can you grab this kind of momentum in the market, because we all want this kind of moves in the market, this kind of moves, and also this kind of moves, you understand? So let's jump into the market and really show you what's really going on. So guys, today's topic, we're gonna unpack something that people never talk about. I never saw it on YouTube, but I'm gonna unpack something that from my experience of backtesting and seeing how the market behaves, I'm gonna unpack something that can impact your forex trading, guys. So what does it mean, guys? So basically, guys, the loss is that market repeats itself, guys. Again, what does it mean? Market repeats patterns. That's why we have head and shoulders pattern, we have wedge pattern, because it head and shoulders pattern, like this one, guys, a head and shoulders pattern that was repeated to the downside. And we understand that those kind of patterns, they do repeat itself on the market. That's why they are given, so that if you see that a certain pattern, you have to take this certain direction, because market repeats what it did. You see what I'm saying? So this is the law of the market. Market like 90% of the time, it repeats on what it did in the previous day or previous week or previous month. You see what I'm saying? It's a repetition, guys. That's why market looks the same all the day, and all the market they move in waves all the time, guys. So basically, let's jump into the thing. So, guys, market, how are you gonna catch this kind of trade that are more powerful? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So, guys, where to enter into market? So, because if you look the market, there are this kind of candlesticks that have momentum here, guys. So these are the candlesticks that have momentum, and if you look at your left, you see the momentum also going down here. There was some sort of momentum here. You see what happens. So this was a repetition of this movement to the upside, and you can find out market when it gets support, it got support here on the highs. You see what I'm saying? That was the support. When market was support resisted to go upwards and go to the downside. But basically, if market, when you look at your left, so guys, if you look at them, if you go to the current market, then you look, let's say, let me just check an arrow. Okay, let's put something like it. You go to the certain market, then you look what on your left. On your left, this candlestick is likely to be repeated. You understand? It's likely to be repeated to the downside. You understand? So market, if you look at, like, when you look at your left, you see what can I say? If you look at your left, you see a candlestick that is big like this. Understand that this can be a selling momentum that can validate this candlestick. You understand? If you don't see the market repeating what it did in this level, that shows that the trend is not healthy. You understand? Let me just show another example that I'm trying to validate. So back at we find out market when it came out from here, it had a bullish momentum. You understand? It was a good because it was a repetition of this side. So if you look at your left, you find out, okay, there's nothing that I see. You see, the only thing that when you go to the left, you find out price was here. You understand? But if you go upwards, you see that there was an empty space. If there was no empty space, it tells that market can increase momentum to the upside as it continues with the what? With the bullish momentum. You see, with your selling momentum, just returning all those months to the upside, and then we're resistant there on the top. So it can give you understanding why Nasdaq, how could have caught Nasdaq on that buy here, guys. When market went above that price, you could understand that it was already had momentum. This momentum can increase like this one. You see. But as far as another words, I'm gonna do another video to explain more on that one. So guys, here was there. I don't want to make the video long, guys. Was here to tell you that we had I caught the entry here of a buy. Why did I catch the entry again, guys? I find out, okay, sharp, from this bullish candlestick. You see this bullish candlestick, it is the one that was doing consolidation. You see what I'm saying? When market came back above on this side, I saw that, okay, market was respecting the highs, respecting the lows. Market never changed direction. You see what happened? This is where I saw the break of structure to the market. Then I did catch some sales there, you understand, and understanding that this is a break of a trend, and market is a continuation downside with another lower low, higher low trend. You see, lower low, higher lows. You see what I'm saying? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. That's when I put all the sales, guys. I knew that the bullish momentum was here. The bullish momentum was here on this level. That's why I want to get from this, capitalize from this order block here. And in other words, we were printing a flag pattern, guys. All those who understand flag pattern, this was a sort of a flag pattern to the downside that was slightly manipulated to confuse retail traders that we are going to the certain direction. Then after that, market continues to do what? To buy. That's the same. That's how the market moves, guys, to confuse retail traders that you are going in a certain direction. Then after that, they break the direction. That's the goal of the market, guys. So this way the bullish momentum was introduced that day. Then I was able to capitalize to the highest somewhere there, my trade, guy. So that was the video for the day, guys. I'll be uploading the video so that you can also learn from how I traded on this day. But basically, my entry was also focusing on this bullish. When the bullish momentum ends, I understand that they can introduce that bullish momentum again to want to continue to the upside as they continue, and I see a free space, too much free space here, free money lying on the market. That's why I see free money lying on the market. When I see that there was too much space, I don't see any price action. The last price action that I saw was this price here, of which market went above it and came back to retest on it because of what? Because of the price you see that the retracement was because of what? Of that price that we saw there. And you can see that the bullish momentum, it was a bullish momentum from here to there. When the market reaches here, it started to what? To reduce pressure to the downside. You can even see market started to what? To consolidate. And after consolidating, there was a break of structure on this high. Then market just came in to collect liquidity and collect all the stop losses until these levels here. I did catch some buyers again, guys, from these levels here to those highs because of what? I understood that market is done selling based on what? And this is where the market started to consolidate. It seems like this is where the bullish momentum where market invested more money to the upside. And if market, before market break this resistance, it has to put more money again, but it's going to repeat kind of this pattern to the downside. So I understood that when I see a sort of a reversal pattern that was being printed here, like for example, I did see that sort of a nice head insurance pattern, guys. Or those who cannot see, but I can do. So I did see a nice head insurance pattern that was printed here when I started to see market printing this kind of insurance pattern here, and I did capitalize on the buy to those highs. You see what I'm saying? When I saw a double top, I went out for my buyers, guys, because I saw that this could be a reversal pattern. You see, as market was not pushing with momentum, not repeating this certain pressure that I saw this, which is could be what you call it, and what a consolidation on what? On the market, which means no buyers are willing to do what? To buy the market. That's what it's trying to tell me. So it became a certain of what? Of a wedge. So break out from the wedge, then the market continues to what? To go to the downside. You see what I'm saying? So that's a powerful, guys. So I'll be uploading the video, guys. Thank you.